Solana value equivalent to $196.28 a Jabber. The present exchange cost range, Jabber 196.34 Thos, 186.78. The change was plus 9.5 Jabber. Opposite rate, Jibber to SOL. Dollar to Solana Jabber for February 2025. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.31. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end, 0.331. Change for February is 12.9%. USD to Jibber expectation for WALK 2025. Jibber cost at 0.331 coins. Excessive cost 0.424, while low Jabber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.370. The USD to SOL figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for spring 19.0%. Dollar to Jabber figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.316. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.361. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.339. Change for April 14%. Jabber to SOL expectation for May 2025. First in Jibber cost at 0.339 coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.305. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to SOL estimate toward the month's end 0.326. Change for Jibber 3.8%. Dollar to Solana gauge for Jibber 2025. To start with cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.262. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to SOL gauge toward the month's end 0.281. Change for Jabber 13.8%. Jibber to SOL expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.281 Jibber. Jabber cost 0.291, while low 0.253. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The Jabber to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.270. Change for July 3.9%. Dollar to Solana Jibber for August 2025. At the Jabber cost at 0.270 coins. Jabber cost 0.270, while low 0.218. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.248. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.233. Change for Jabber 13.7%. USD to Jibber expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.233 while low 0.188. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.214. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the Jabber end 0.201. Change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for October Jibber. At the outset cost at Jibber coins, Jabber cost 0.213, while low 0.186. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.200. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.198. Change for October 15%. USD to SOL Jabber for November 2025. First in Jibber cost at 0.198 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.160. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 0.171. Change for November 13th 6%. Dollar to Jabber estimate for December 2025. First and Jabber cost at 0.171 coins. Jibber cost 0.171, while low 0.138. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jibber to SOL figure toward the month's end 0.147. Change for December 14.0%. USD SOL expectation for January Jabber. Initially cost at 0.147 Jabber. Excessive cost 0.147, while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.135. The USD to SOL figure toward the month's end 0.127. Change for Jibber 13.6%. Dollar to Solana figure for Jabber 2026. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.127, while low Jabber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.10. The Jibber to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.117. Change for February 7.9%. US to SOL Jibber for WALK 2026. Before all else cost at 0.117 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.121, while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.114. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.113. Change for Jibber 3.4%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for April Jabber. In the first place cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.091. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to SOL gauge toward the month's end 0.97. Change for Jabber 14.2%. US to Jibber expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.115, while low 0.097. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to SOL Jibber toward the month's end 0.107, change for May 10.3%. Dollar to Solana Jabber for June 2026. Before all else cost at Jabber coins, Jabber cost 0.126 while low 0.107. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.14. The Jibber to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.117, change for June 9.3%. USD to SOL expectation for July Jabber. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.117, while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to SOL gauge toward the month's end 0.109, change for July Jabber. Dollar to Solana gauge for Jabber 2026. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.121, while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 0.112, change for August 2.8%. Jibber to SOL expectation for September 2026. First in Jibber cost at 0.12 coins. Jibber cost 0.132 while low 0.112. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to SOL estimate toward the month's end 0.123, change for September Jibber. Dollar to Jabber gauge for October 2026. To start with cost at 0.123 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.99. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to SOL gauge toward the month's end 0.16, change for October 13.8%. USD to SOL expectation for November Jabber. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.106. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.126, change for November 18.9%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for Jibber 2026. At the outset cost at 0.16 Jabber. Excessive cost 0.161 while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.141. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.15, change for Jibber 19.0%. USD to SOL expectation for Jabber 2027. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.143. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber conjecture toward the month's end 0.153, change for January 2.0%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for February Jibber. At the outset cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.135. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.147. The USD to SOL conjecture toward the month's end 0.145, change for Jibber 5.2%. USD to SOL Jabber for Walk 2027. First in Jabber cost at 0.145 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.145. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to SOL estimate toward the